Hey y'all, welcome back to Chandra's Light. So in this video, I'm doing a quick simple review on this Revlon one-step hair dryer. So if you want to learn more, keep watching. Okay, so this is the one-step hair dryer by Revlon. I got the dryer in the color black. And some quick functions of this dryer is that it's lightweight. It has detangling bristles. It has a unique all-in-one non-detachable brush head, large paddle design, flexible pad, professional 6-foot swivel cord, and it has 2 heat speed settings for styling flexibility with a cool option. Okay, initial thoughts. So this is way better than the traditional blow dryer. My traditional blow dryer attachment always falls off going across the other room. This is perfect as far as like being able to hold it in your hand and actually hold it like a brush and going through. I have it on, I was blow drying on the low setting, which was pretty warm, which was, to me, was hot enough for me. I don't want my hair like bone straight or anything, but and another thing is that my hair is not wet. My hair is dry. So I don't need that high heat anyway. Yeah. It's legit. It's a keeper. Okay, so when it comes to the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler, I would definitely approve. You really should consider using like a heat protectant, especially if you're going to turn it all the way up to the highest setting. I just feel like it's so convenient, and I really was able to blow dry my hair like fairly quickly. And I think part of it was that my hair wasn't wet, and it was just easy to use. Like being able to actually have a good grip on it and hold and blow dry your hair, this really works really well. I believe, so I got this as a Christmas gift, and I believe at the time it was only like $27, but if you go on Amazon right now, it's $33.99. So typically they have typically it's $49.99. So right now you can save $16 on Amazon. And actually I'm gonna go ahead and provide that link for y'all so y'all can get this brush. But yeah, I think this is definitely a good replacement for the traditional blow dryer. This is definitely an upgrade, and I would highly recommend. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.